Hello guys, today I bring you to travel attraction for conservative. Wang Sai Thong Waterfall is a carbon touch wildlife sanctuary. If you are ready, let's go! Inside there are many food stores to choose from, such as papaya salads, grilled chicken, drinking water and many more. This is a path down to the waterfall. You can walk along the concrete. Wang Sai Thong Waterfall is located in Nampu Sub-District, Langon District, Stone Province. The waterfall is located on 29 km Wang Sai Thong Road. Easy to travel if any tourist has a chance to visit Stone Province. Do not miss to stop and visit here. Capture beautiful atmosphere, a picture, and the impression goes back. The beauty of one of the most distinctive and famous waterfall of the South Thailand. It is a waterfall with large and small limestone lakes, descending from the top floor to the bottom, similar to a lotus flower. Combined with the stream and flow through this limestone lakes, sparkling and beautiful as goes, become the source of the name Wang Sai Thong Waterfall. Although during this period there will rain in many areas, but this waterfall remains beautiful all season. Another special feature of Wang Sai Thong Waterfall. It is safe to play in water for both children and adults. Its level of the waterfall has an average height of 15 to 100 cm, which is not very deep. It is a tourist destination where many families tend to take their children on vacation. Wang Sai Thong Waterfall is a very beautiful and unique waterfall, which tourists can visit and anytime since this waterfall will has water flowing through the